Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on BitGet and get some money for it. As you can see, when you sign up you can claim a welcome pack of this much USDT. So you need to go ahead and enter your email here. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to check out. So let me just enter my email or phone number. Now you will need to go ahead and enter the password and click I have read the terms and create an account. Now you need to go ahead to your email and enter the code they just sent you. Now, your account was created, but you need to go ahead and complete your identity verification in order to get all of the deposits, P2P trading, earn, spot, and copy the trading. So you click verify now. So as you can see, we'll need a government issued documents, face recognition, and this will, estimated review time would be 60 minutes, so click verify. Now, once you have chosen to verify which, for example, a passport of yours, you can get and verify it through your mobile phone. It will be way quicker, so you just need to scan the QR code, which you will see here, and then it will be way easier to verify. And now once you have completed mobile verification, your identity verification is under review, and basically it will take around 1 hour. Now you can go back. And now in order to get that money and earn, you need to go ahead and deposit some of the fiat money or crypto. So you can just go ahead and go on your wallet here and click deposit. Now a deposit is for the coins, but you can also deposit euros, for example, or some other currency with no fee. So click here. And now, as you can see, you can go ahead and deposit some fiat. I'm going to leave the link to BitGet in the description below for you to check out and get some bonuses. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.